Hi, this is Tom Wheelwright. I am founder and CEO of Provision, international CPA firm based out of Phoenix, Arizona. And so glad you're with us in the Cash Flow Wealth Summit, top 5 missed deductions. Here you go. Take notes. You're gonna want to take notes on this. By the way, I hope you've got a learning partner with you because you're going to want to be able to discuss this. So let's look at the top 5 missed deductions. What are they? Number 1. I think the number 1 is the home office. And the reason I say that is I ask you the question, how many of you have ever been told not to take a deduction because it was risky and it might raise a red flag and cause you to have an IRS audit? Now, if I could see you, I would guess, because I do this every time I speak, and I've spoken all over the world. I speak to thousands of people every year. I would guess more than 50% of you would raise your hand. And of those who raise your hand, most of them, the one you were told not to take is home office. This is a disaster. And the reason is because there is a specific code section that says how to take a home office deduction. Now, I've got a very specific provision in the tax law that says you can take this deduction. We want you to take this deduction. Here's how to take the deduction. And you've got a tax preparer or a tax advisor who has the temerity to say, don't take it because it's risky. I don't know about you. It sounds to me like you need a new tax advisor. Why would you ever not take a deduction you're entitled to? Home office, number 1. Number 2, automobile expense. Now, here's what you go. Now, of course, these are all business deductions, right? So business deductions, we have 3 tests to be a business deduction. You ready for this? You're going to want to write this down. Okay, it has to have a business purpose. That's pretty easy, right? Business purpose. Number 2, it has to be ordinary, which means typical in your business. And 3, it has to be necessary, which means it's going to improve your business. It's necessary to make more money.